Scrivener projects are made up of a lot of individual files. If you're sending one to someone else, then it's probably a good idea to zip it so that you don't lose anything along the way and to make the file smaller. Hi, my name's Juliette, and today we're going to zip a file from within Scrivener 3 for Windows. Choose File, Backup, Backup to from within your project. This will bring up a box where you can choose a location. Give the file a name, and you'll see it already has Create a Zip File selected. And here's the file. To open the zip file at the other end, all you or the other person need to do is to double-click on it, and it should extract. Then move it out of the zip folder to the required location and you're ready to go. Alternatively, in Windows, you can click on the Extract tab to extract the file. This will give you the opportunity to select the place to extract the file to. Then simply go to the file and open it, or open it from within Scrivener. For more on backups, check out this video.